The system of Bedang and the song name is Revenza or Revenga. And this one like Hurricane Festival 2005. So let's watch the video. Like that drum. Cheese the guitar. Voice stuff. Love the beat of the guitarist and the speaker. Rapping skills. Slowing down. The guitarist can actually sing. The voice. It's kind of crazy. All the voices are merging and singing along together. It's raining again. Amazing. All the guitars and drum are synchronized really well together and like the ending of the song there. I'm actually surprised by the metal screaming voice there, and that's pretty awesome. I have no idea how it's able to do the kind of notes there, but that's actually very impressive to listen to. I love the rapping skills as well. That's actually pretty fast words right there. So the instruments and the vocals really well meshed together. They actually perform in like actually really well there. So this video was meant to be in the future. So thanks for watching. I actually really enjoyed watching the video. And the video, subscribe and also in the next video. Bye.